How do you train them? How do you train your kids?
So then when it started with this, the moment they come in, they have a batch called World Cup 2034 right here.
Okay.
From when they're 7. Okay? So every day they get up with that batch, they're manifested. If this is not what you do, their life is a failure. They have been ingrained and manifested and visualized every single day कि 2034 में तुमने World Cup खिंचाना है, यहाँ पे लोगो लगा हुआ है इसका. Then what do? They are known as the what? वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग लगी होती है, okay, under 17 batch, यहाँ के World Cup batch. They are known as the World Cup batch. They are not known as anything else. They're known as the World Cup batch.
So everybody is known as World Cup batch.
All 200 kids who are on scholarship, I have devoted, that means all the money which I get from my paid programs, 200 kids are on scholarship from all over India. Now I'll tell you why I'm so confident, because अगर जितनी इन 3 countries की population है, आइसलैंड की 3 लाख, इसकी 2 लाख, 50,000, उतने तो मैं ट्रायल पे सिलेक्ट करता हूँ. मतलब कि मैं 3 लाख लोग मेरे हर साल ट्रायल पे आते हैं. All over India, 18, 20, 30 different menus, 40 different menus. We have over 2 lakh people coming. How many do we select? 14, 15. And then we start training them. And then how do we train them? They have eat, like I told you, eat, breathe, sleep, actions, thoughts, and habits and results. From the very beginning, they are the kind of advantage we get is there's something known as Helios, Hyperlab. So there's a laser which keeps on going here, and you're supposed to immediately run to it and put your foot on it. So your decision making and reaction times. And then you do it on a daily basis to see where you've reached. Then you've got blood flow restriction. So I'll tell you about all the medical things we're doing. So blood flow restriction, BFR hoti hai. Red light therapy, we are doing that every day, every single day with all my athletes because it produces more red blood cells. Every single day, morning they get beetroot shots, evening they get haldi shots. So we Indians don't understand that how far we are in science, in medical science. And something which has been proven for 5,000 years, don't discount it. Now the world's saying yoga, now everybody's saying yoga. So what is yoga? Yoga is flexibility. With flexibility, we Indians don't. Now we know how to, we used to know how to sit properly in a squat. These kids don't. They can't sit properly जैसे हम potty कर रहे होते हैं, नहीं बैठा जाता इनसे. And all the injuries come from your ankles and your hip flexors not being tight.